I chose to come to this course just to learn more about design, just because I personally like design. So it goes hand in hand. 3D printing and graphic design go hand in hand. So I figured, why not try it out? Before this course, I don't have any previous knowledge of 3D printing, but I was looking into it just to maybe do it as a hobby, or maybe print out some logos for my brand or anything like that. So that's what I did. So I already recommended maybe 2 or 3 people, told them everything that we did, the stuff we made, and they love it. To come here and make my own 3D prints and just start from scratch, it was nerve-wracking. And of course, like, I know me, I always have ups and downs with things, and I had a lot of downs. Just like on my shirt, it says, stay down till you come up. So just be humble, and I ended up winning technically in the end, so I had a good time.